Welcome to our video on the transformative power of custom 3D printed prosthetic limbs. We'll explore how this technology is revolutionizing the lives of individuals with amputations, offering unmatched comfort, functionality, and aesthetics. Traditional prosthetic limbs often suffer from mass-produced designs, leading to discomfort and limited functionality. The process involves multiple fittings and adjustments, which can be both time-consuming and costly for patients. 3D printing technology has disrupted the prosthetics industry by enabling the creation of custom limbs tailored to individual needs. Using CAD software and 3D scanning, precise measurements are captured to design prosthetics that mirror natural movement. Custom 3D printed prosthetics offer numerous benefits, including improved fit and comfort, enhanced functionality, and personalization options. Patients can choose designs and colors, boosting self-expression and confidence. The cost and production time of prosthetics are significantly reduced with 3D printing. Limbs can be produced in hours or days, making them more accessible, especially in areas with limited resources. Custom prosthetics also improve psychological well-being by boosting self-esteem and confidence. Real-world examples include projects like Not Impossible Labs, Daniel's Arm, and the e-Nable community, providing affordable solutions. As 3D printing technology evolves, we anticipate even more advanced prosthetic solutions. Future developments may include integrated sensors for real-time feedback and AI-powered prosthetics that adapt to user behavior. Advanced materials are being explored to mimic the strength and flexibility of natural limbs. These innovations promise to further enhance the durability and functionality of prosthetic devices. Artificial intelligence is set to play a significant role in the future of prosthetics. AI-powered limbs could learn and adapt to an individual's preferences, offering a more personalized and intuitive experience. Techsafe, powered by Medstore, is at the forefront of this revolution, committed to improving healthcare outcomes through technology. Our mission is to enhance patient care and well-being with innovative solutions. By supporting cutting-edge research in 3D printed prosthetics, Techsafe is helping to transform the lives of those in need. We are dedicated to providing solutions that restore confidence, mobility, and independence. Thank you for joining us to explore the world of custom 3D printed prosthetic limbs. To learn more about the latest advancements in prosthetic technology, visit our website. We look forward to sharing more innovations with you.